Hey, it's your girl Michaela. We back with another video. Today I'm going to show y'all how I do my top bun, a hot puff. You don't need a comb or a pick comb, gel, a styling gel. I use Eco Styler, the Argan Oil one, a brush, some moisturizing lotion, and of course a scrunchie. So I'm going to start off with the comb. That's the comb. Comb my hair through. If you see me looking up, because I'm looking up at my mirror. Okay. So I'm done combing it. I'm going to get my moisturizing lotion. This is the olive oil moisturizing lotion. Hair lotion. A little bit. I'm going to do the top pieces first. Like the top of my hair, because that's the part that's going to be out. And you want it not smooth, not looking nappy look. So I just spreaded this through my hair. And then I'm going to do the sides of my hair. And then you go back to the okay. Now I'm going to get my brush and brush the moisturizer in that I spread it around my hair. And it's like this smooth texture. And this stuff just smells so good. Any olive oil products do help for your hair too. I'm going to get my gel now. Okay. A piece of gel. I spread it around my edges first. And then I'm going to get some more gel and spread on the top of my bun. But not too lot and not too little. You want it a good amount. And just pick it through. Yeah. And then I'm going to get your brush again. First I'm going to get this gel off my hand. And just brush it through. And while you're doing this, you want to brush into like a ponytail, a bun style, up. To make sure you get the look, the high puff look. Okay, it's in that. It's in that texture. that I would like it to be. And now I'm just going to scroll my fingers up to a puff like. Now I'm going to get my pick and pick this out. And this is the part where you want to get your scrunchie. You want to have it as tight as it can go, not too tight that it hurts your hair though. And then, hey, I also got the back, so I'm gonna have like a hump and it's slick in the back. So you got this, and you want to pick it out some more. And then you're going to get some more gel. And just put it in the back or surrounding your hair. Your hair. So it will stay down. Like your edges will stay down. Your kitchens in the back. It won't be fuzzy looking when you go out. I'm just slicking this in. Now I'm going to get the brush and just brush it back up. So there you go. Oh, I got a little edge right here sticking. I don't know how to do edges. That's why the word in this video. I don't do edges. I don't know how, but my siblings do. And I don't worry about my edges. I just brush them on back. But there you go. Look at that. I'll bring it back a little bit because it's all the way in my face right here. But it looked cute. Thanks for watching. Follow all my social media. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell to get a notification when I post. Peace.